So here we are at the Police Crime and Commissioners funded Blaenau Gwent Film Academy, and we have got a huge load of students in today who's learning all about film. We're talking about script writing, camera work, all aspects of filmmaking, editing and so on. A lot of our students have been here now over 5 or 6 years and they absolutely love it here.
I enjoy the freedom that it gives the students. Whenever there's a topic that you want to write about, just talk to one of the tutors and they would 100% be on board with it.
What I like about being with the Film Academy is that I get to talk to a lot of people who have like the same interests as me. So if I wanted to write a script, I would kind of have people that I could do that with, and it means I can bond with people more because we have like similar interests.
What's great about the Film Academy, we don't just actually teach all about film, it's great for well-being. It's a huge confidence builder. A lot of the projects they work on actually go on social media where they can influence, have a positive influence on anybody who watch their films. It could be anti-bullying, it could be drink-driving films, anti-drugs. Most of our films have got a wonderful message underneath of what to do or what not to do.